Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have access to change personalization settings. This avoids permission errors later. Once confirmed, open the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter to launch the app so you're in the right place. Next, click Personalization or Appearance because the screensaver controls live there. This collects display and theme options in one panel. Make sure to keep the settings window visible while you move to the screensaver controls in the next step. Now you'll click the Lock Screen or Screensaver link so you reach the selector. This is where you control behavior and timing. Choose a saver from the drop-down, then hit Preview to see how it looks and ensure it's not resource-intensive. Once satisfied, adjust the wait time and any specific settings, like images, slideshow folders, or animation speed, and make sure power options won't interrupt the saver. These steps tune appearance and performance before you finalize the change. Finish by clicking Apply or Save, then lock your screen to test the new saver so you confirm it activates as expected. If the saver doesn't appear, check that power and screen timeout settings aren't overriding it, and verify no presentation mode or full screen app is preventing activation. If problems persist, reboot and update display drivers because outdated drivers often block visual features. Once done, reapply the saver and test again to ensure the change sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.